How to uninstall Carrier/OEM Bloatware on Android. Tired of Carrier or OEM apps you never use? Here's how you can safely remove bloatware. So step 1, disable unwanted apps directly on the settings. So open settings, and then from here, go ahead and look for the apps tab. And then click on apps, and then on the apps tab, go ahead and select the specific app that you want to disable. So go ahead and select it from the list, and then go ahead and click on it once you find it. So once you're inside the app settings, you'll be able to find the disable or uninstall button. So simply go ahead and disable or uninstall the app on your device. Since once you click on that uninstall button, you'll be able to be prompted in the confirmation pop-up. So you just need to confirm installing the app, and the app would be removed from your Android device. And that is how you can basically uninstall Carrier or OEM bloatware on Android.